Governor Wike of Rivers State, they say in task force people, a bit task force association where they for that side, they don't go, they don't go cause destruction, they don't cause I don't even know which English to use. My people, it did very, very bad. The damage where these people cause. I don't even want to show the amount. By the time una see am by una self, una go even tell me how much una think say the thing don't cost. According to my time wey reach me, they say the task force for Rivers State don't go. You enter one mechanic shop, break cars, scatter cars, break windows, do not be smart, you know. They just storm the place, can't start they destroy over 10 cars. Una fit imagine. So I bring am come on side. For una way know una governor, and una way never know wetin dey shele right now for Rivers State. I don't bring her, so join me. Make we watch the video.
Mechanic, I just got the call from a mechanic now, my mechanic, who had given my car yesterday, my wife's car actually, to fix. And he called me that the task force, the governor's task force of Rivers State, Wike's task force, came into their compound and began to destroy cars. This is my wife's car. They destroyed over 10 cars, shattered windscreens, shattered side mirrors, side glasses, shattered cars entirely. Even cars that have been parked here for maybe 1 year, they shattered cars in a compound. Now I'll show you the compound. It's a compound off the road, totally off the road, the compound on its own. This is the gate to the compound.
Say they scatter my oil, and from above they come back now. Now they come there, come scatter my oil.
Una see am. So I beg, how much you think say all the cars wey una watch now? They what? How much? Now only destruction upon destruction. Now these people sabi only to destroy. Wahala just too much for this Nigeria. Hey, wahala opo. Over 10 cars. How you now go enter? Wait, wetin be task force duty? No, because I don't forget. These people go just make person they run mad. I don't understand. Task force, you dey enter person mechanic workshop, you dey go destroy. I beg, this workshop dey roadside. Even get gate, entrance. So how that one come dey stop these people work when their shop no dey roadside? I no just dey understand. And now people go come outside, they are the task force, they are the this one. See, I know they say any task force. I beg, make una just allow me, make una just free me. The people wey go do this thing, they be thugs. And they were sent. Which can be any small thing una go start dey I beg, see, I don't know, but many people need to dey behind bars as we dey speak. No be only Pantami, no be there plenty. I no go mention name before una go talk say I don't start, but they know themselves, they plenty. Rivers State. Tomorrow now, una go come outside. Buhari is the only problem in Nigeria. Buhari is not the only problem in Nigeria. The first saying be the head or president, no me say na only him they do things. Now why they tell una every time? Yes, he get his own. But my people, a lot of people don't they use that chance now. They do things. Why? Because they know say all fingers go lead to where? Buhari. Very, very important. I beg make una open una eyes. Oh, even mad people safe. I don't say mad people. Mad people no go enter person shop, do this kind of thing. As they mad finish, I don't say they no go fit try am. Say they go person shop. Governor Wike, you better go answer this call. You see this call where I don't dial your number personally now. Go answer this call. Because now your state's number one. So you supposed to know everything where they happen. No tell me anything. I know, yes, I know what they talk about. May you go answer this call. This is wickedness. So people feel say they no go die again for this life. Yes, so they feel say they be God. Like they don't already get power, eternal life. They no feel die again for this life where we come. But it's alright. It's alright. Now no go die again, no problem. Continue. You have inherited the earth. My question now be say who go pay for these damages? Who want pay for all these things now will happen? Abeg, if Nigeria offend you, torí Ọlọ́run, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, abeg, we beg, please forgive Nigeria. Whoever you are, abeg, see, my people, e reach to beg. If Nigeria offend you, biko, just jejely forgive Nigeria. We are begging. And the part wey dey pay me now be say this thing wey happen, nobody go do anything. Nobody go talk about anything. You go just die like that. You go nothing. Oh, I never see anything. But I just dey hope, abeg, if your car dey part of this ones, biko, my condolences. Na only sorry I fit tell you, because make I no talk. Ngwanu, abeg, make una help me share this video. Governor Wike must answer this call. Yes, very, very important. He must answer this call, and we must get to the root of this matter. You understand? Very, very important. My people, una go soon get new presenter for this platform. And yes, guess who she be and where she dey from. But I go give you a tip of where she dey come from. That from Southeast States. Yes, so anybody where they think of, drop her for that comment section. And I still want to know what you they think concerning this destruction where I talk about. Drop her for that comment section too, and I will reply now one by one as usual. Share this video, make everybody know what they happen, especially our dear beloved governor. Whatever. Yes, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. If not, you go they miss interesting matters where they bring here for that. Stay tuned for our next story.